Just witnessing like everybody's like dedication, compassion, like empathy with their patients inspired me to do the best that I could.
Damien has definitely been a standout student. His communication skills have been excellent, not just with me, but with the members of our team.
They've been excited, eager to actually teach me and include me. I've gotten to learn so much. Almost every single day I'm learning something new.
I really wanted to give him the opportunity because of the way he showed up here every day. The way he communicates to our patients will be professional.
Patient care is really what I enjoyed, like actually helping out, like taking vitals or just like simply like talking to a patient, just making their day. I'd say that was the most exciting for me or what I enjoyed most. Like that's what I was able to experience like from day one.
He has been our favorite from this experience.
All of the UniPoint staff were like very welcoming. Like everybody was really excited to help. It set me up like knowing what like healthcare fundamentals are. I think that's what's most important is I was able to get hands-on experience from early on.